In a pot of water, add some salt. In the bowl, I have 3 pounds of cassava or yuca, and I'm using frozen. You can use fresh yuca if you like. And we add it to the salted water and cook it on medium heat until the yuca or cassava is fork tender. Check it out, it's perfectly fork tender. And before you serve it, make sure you remove that fiber from the center of the cassava. Not very tasty at all, it's very hard. Our yuca is ready. Let's go ahead and strain it and prepare the sauce. We're gonna need red and green peppers, roasted peppers, extra virgin olive oil, whole peppercorns, capers, olive, sour orange, white vinegar, a combination of yellow and red onion, garlic, bay leaves, adobo, all-purpose seasoning, and dried oregano. In a pan, add your extra virgin olive oil and turn on the heat on medium-low. Add your bay leaves, pepper, add your onion, add a little pinch of salt to keep the garlic from popping out and also to help cream them. Garlic, olives, capers, add your peppercorn, adobo, all-purpose seasoning, dried oregano, roasted peppers, and finish with the sour orange and the vinegar. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes until the onions are tender. Mix it and allow it to marinate for at least an hour to allow the yuca or the cassava to absorb some of the flavors from the vinegar, the onion, and the garlic. Finally, there you have it, my version of yuca en escabeche. And I'm serving the yuca en escabeche as a side dish to my arroz con gandules and brined roast pork. And if you would like to see my step-by-step recipe on how to make arroz con gandules, I'll link to that video right up here. My favorite time is here, and it's time to taste this delicious yuca en escabeche. And let's go ahead and grab a little piece of everything, the onion, the pepper, the cassava, of course. Check it out. Smells amazing, can't wait to try it. Wow. Qué rica. The yuca en escabeche is a little bit briny. It is tender and very tasty. Just the right amount of onion and garlic and vinegar. Just the way I like it. Friends, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Give me a thumbs up and activate the notification bell to be notified when I upload more delicious, simple video recipes like this one. And until next time, I'm Evita, cooking at the rhythm of my heart. Buen provecho y hasta la próxima. You really have to try it.